all packed and ready to go. I put some socks on because y'all know how it is at the airport. See y'all when we get there.
I wanna feel alive cause I don't get to. I dream of something better than this. A new day, a new issue. I'm wondering when the problem gon' end. Always something wrong, always something wrong. Take me back home, take me back home. If I'm gonna feel alone, might as well just be alone. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, lately I've been feeling homesick. I'm worlds away from playing Jedi with my glow stick.
Just got to the airport. Now we are about to go get our bags and then head to the hotel. We need to get some tequila. I'm so excited. I'm thinking Casamigos because I haven't had it in a very long time since being in Kauai. They don't have it there, so I'm thinking Casamigos for sure. We made it, guys. Now we're about to check in. So excited to be here. It's a beautiful hotel.
I wanna feel, yeah,
I wanna feel alive cause I don't get to. I dream of something better than this. A new day, a new issue. I'm wondering when the problem gon' end. Always something.
Okay, so we wasn't able to fully check in because we have to go and take our test. So the Uber driver just pulled up. We're getting in the car now. And then we're gonna come back, check in, and get our vacay started. This is so cute. Nice little view. Okay.
I got that love. Bahama, just waiting to get seated. Oh, it's fine. Okay guys, so we're at Tommy Bahamas and the table that we got actually has sand, which I think is so cute. I think it's a vibe for sure. I love it. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys what the vibe is. Cheers. we have live music right here.
From a rock motherfucker. It ain't till B. No impression. No CCB. No back out, not even rest. Name Bill.
What are you talking about? Alright, you guys, so our appetizers just came. I got me the coconut shrimp, and Marcel got some mango habanero wings. So we have to get into that, and then I think we need a round of shots. I think we need a round of shots. Probably gonna die by the time we get back to the hotel, but I'm gonna make sure that I change my battery when we get to the hotel. Hey y'all, good morning. So it's day 2. Girl, I need some bliss X. I know. I'm really just waking up, so yeah. Okay. We have reservations for a massage at 9:45, so it's 9 o'clock right now. We're about to hurry up and get ready for that. I've been vlogging on my phone, so I hope it doesn't mess this video up or whatever, but yeah, I'm so excited. It was a great night last night. Yeah, this has helped me out so many times, y'all. If you know, you know. Okay,
No, you know.
it says the changing room right now. She gave me my robe and my slippers to put on, so I'm about to change really quickly and get ready for my massage. Look at this view. We just finished our massages and oh my gosh. Alright you guys, so we just got back to the hotel. Now we're getting dressed because we are about to go to I believe it's crab oil type restaurant.
So super excited for that. I'm gonna show you my fit.
But pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So
I need $1 million.
That shit on, nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on.
I do not want to leave. We're waiting for our lift.